Okay, the second one. Spray the second one.
Mama, hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Hey. And we're just gonna sprinkle it on top like that.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit more.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, yay!
Look, are you ready, Dad?
A little bit more. Microgreens excels on eating raw. Skipping the cooktop not only keeps them fresh and crisp, it also preserves the delicate flavor you would expect from these mini powerhouses. Any cooking method will take away some of that nutrients, so when it comes to microgreens, just eat them fresh. And did I mention that they look absolutely amazing on pasta? Another raw option is, of course, all things handheld. Tortilla, pita, gluten-free bread, whatever your preferences. Microgreens are a fabulous way to add a punch of flavor and nutrition on any sandwiches or wraps. Chia seed microgreens are particularly interesting for this because they also bring an element of spice to the table. My ultimate sandwich when I need a little pick-me-up is 2 pieces of wholemeal bread, brie, ham, and mayo mustard mixed with microgreens. It's so good that I'll ditch my diet for it. Microgreens are packed with nutritious antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and blending them up in a smoothie is a great way to eat a big handful all at once. It feels good to be drinking something filling, healthy, and a great way to start your day. Microgreens do taste differently for sure. Some are sweet, spicy, bitter, peppery, or even buttery, but just keep experimenting for your own favorite mix.
Let me want that.
That is microgreens.
No, nice. What is? Cheese.